Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9. Here we have my power supply, rebuilt and working, just like the good old days. We have voltmeter, we have current meter, we have digital buck converter doohickey, which comes out this one. This is our linear supply, here's our linear knob. We basically used for the linear knob one of these. Let me just get one out as an example. And then we used one of these scope knobs on it to actually, so it has a knob, so you don't have to do it with a screwdriver, and just drilled to extend it. And if we turn it up, which we actually have to turn it the traditional down way, the needle moves. Sometimes you have to tap the meter to get the needle moved, because the meter's a bit dodge. Doesn't quite go to 30 volts, it stops at about 23. So it's like multi-turn pot goodness. This is your voltage in and out, that's amps. I have no, I just put it in a weird mode. There we go. That's alright, that one turns it on, this one turns it off. As you set either current limit or voltage limit. We can turn the voltage back down and the needle will move. I'm going to put the case on after this and screw it up. But I want to show you a few things. The original part, the only original stuff in here is the binding posts and the neon and transformer config. I rewired that. I'm not going to show you the soldering on this board because it's absolutely terrible, but still has expandability in mind. We like that. Everything's connector, can all be disconnected. Connectors in the front, connector there, that goes to the switch. There's the 240 volts that gave me my first electric shock. We have a 30 volt output that powers both the buck regulator and the linear regulator. Here's our current shunt, there's the bridge rectifier, there's a 12 volt bridge rectifier. Unused 12 volt output, DC, unregulated. I might turn that into a plus 5 volt and negative 5 volt rail because that would be really good for op amps and testing op amps. And then I'll probably put the outputs down here. This is our linear adjustment pot. And that's really it. And the old volume knob, well, that's held in place with hot glue. The only part that hot glue is used is holding in this meter. Hopefully it'll hold up. I can always reapply if needed. But yeah. It works a treat, and my soldering, as you can see, is absolutely atrocious. But you know what? I don't care. It works and is better than what was in here before. It's a lot more versatile. And I finally have a power supply that outputs two voltages. So that's a thumbs up as far as I'm concerned. Because all too often you pull the power supply out and it only gives you one. I did want to put a boost converter in, but as you can see, we're a little pushed for space and the boost converter has still not arrived. I think I'll be sending Amazon a very angry message. Oh yeah, it's an LM317 I'm using as the adjustable reg for the linear. I have since figured out how to do current adjustment, but by then it was like yesterday evening and it's like, yeah, I've already prototyped this. It can be a modification for a later date. But that's the great thing about this power supply, is it's completely modifiable. It's designed with that in mind. It always was from the beginning. I can add current adjustment in the future, no problem. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.